Ron has a little camera that where I know how to download it. So there you go, sweetie pie. You ready to get up and play a little bit? All right, well, let's come on out and play. And everyone did their pee-pees. Let's just open the gate here. Here we come. Come on. Come on, everybody. Here, I'll move out of the way here. Come on, pups. Come on, here we go. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Come on. And they kind of wander around. I thought this good. I remembered at 5 weeks Zinger had the run of this whole area at 5 weeks. And I thought, you know what? It's time to come out. Now you're doing a little pee-pee right there, and that's okay. You were supposed to go on your paper, sweetheart. Let me get my paper towels. And luckily, of course, that's what the beauty of this whole floor. Everything locks up.
How you do, guys?
Oh. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Here we go. Don't have to go stepping in it now. There we go. Come on. There, look at their little tails. Come on. There we go.
How you doing, Homer?
That's actually little Sandy there. There's Hummer right now.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, here, I'll get him. Hi, Sandy.
Oh, gosh, me. They are so.
I had all of them out, and I was filming them yesterday, and they're just putzing around. It's too wet still. No, maybe today would be better, but the lawn got so wet.
Yeah.
Well, there's got a toy. He has a toy. Is that your toy? Is that a big toy for you? Huh? Turn around. Yes, I want to hear you're ferocious. You're ferocious. You're ferocious with your toy.
Manly man. Of course.
He is a manly man.
And she beats everyone.
What she does? She grabs them
And shakes.
and you'll hear that noise, that but it goes on and on until both Zinger and I run in there. And she's got him by a toe or she's got him by the ear. But that's what they have to learn.
She still have that roach in her back?
I haven't really checked her that close. I want to start to kind of evaluate her when she moves. I saw her moving with one front foot kind of wide. And of course it's real hard to tell at this age that we're just starting to kind of see. But it just cracked me up because they're just cuter than can be. And this is what they do too. Oh. Yes, you get her.
And Keebler is smaller than Hummer.
She is. He's, I think, the second. It's Kit Kat, then Sandy, then him. He's the third largest now. Go ahead.
No, everything else.
To get a toy. He's all my sister's biting me. He's biting me. It's Keebler to the rescue. You're a good boy. They're just exploring. He might have to go poo-poo, actually. You have to go poo? Yep, that's what he's going to do. Is poop under the chair.
Oh. Is he? Oh, yes, he is.
Oh, yeah. I can tell.
Well. Yeah.
Look at you, Keebler.
Look, Steve, come get a picture.
There you go. Good babies. Good babies.
There's Pee-Pee right there.
Good girl. You better butter. They're trying to decide what to name you. The lady's daughter wants to name her Pumpkin.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Good babies. Good babies.
Isn't that a wonderful life? All they have to do is eat and sleep
And poop.
and look cute.
It's true. And play. Isn't it? him. Listen to him. There you go. Good babies. Good babies. They all want to see what's in here. I put this box here, and there was just enough. They all decided they wanted to get up on the box, get around the box.
Oh, somebody did it.
Good girl, honey. Good girl. That's a good baby.
There's a manly man here.
Here he is. Listen to him. They might be limiting themselves to 3 meals a day. Because I said they didn't eat all of their dinner, their midnight meal. They ate about that. And then they have another Snickers. She says, I'm on my pillow.
She's falling down.
She is. Yeah, they may be limiting themselves to 3 meals a day because they didn't eat their... Which makes it really, really nice. It'd be hard, I would think, to have a litter of like Samoyeds or something where they literally all look alike. I mean, that wouldn't be much. I'm sure it's fun, and the Samoyed people probably like them, but it's nice when they're all just individual. Oh, she's going up. Rip that one up.
And you have a character there.
She is. It's funny because this will happen too, where they'll all be asleep except for one puppy, and it's not necessarily the same puppy. Whereas just one of them decides to bite me. Oh, there, she's gonna be sweet. She loves her brother.
Yeah, but he's not. He's
No,
gonna
he's not
clean
gonna
at
nibble
ears.
you. I'm gonna nibble you before you start biting me.
Maybe he thinks that's mommy.
Maybe. Oops. I feel safe in going later because the one thing I don't want to do is from home. And see, they're 6 weeks old here. I could vaccinate them as early as 2 or 3 days ahead of time because I don't want to go anywhere within 2 days of their baby shot. So the idea is they will I could vaccinate them what we'll do is we'll time it so that until then we give it again at 9 weeks. If there is that odd puppy, so even at 9 weeks we'll have some data. Then we can give it at 3 months. Then at 4 months is when you give the baby shots. And then my dog, I give them at 6 months. I'd rather be safe. Really, I'll go over back to the Rona and I'll be able to and I did have Foster's brother, Dad, have the afternoon. Oh, I'm sure. Yeah, I think we'll take him in. I'm super, super cautious only because I always think make that change that I have contract. I'll print that out again as the sale, the final receipt. And on that I have a space note that says he was given his number at, and I'll put the date that he was vaccinated at, and then his next vaccine card. That's good. Yeah. So that you'll have all that in.
Are you getting more puppy time in here? Hummer! 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 Hummer!
And then one weekend after New Year's, we'll have to bring them over and let them play with the sisters and beat them up. Show them the ball. Bring them up and play with the sisters.
Oh, yeah.
Next back.